Hello, everybody. I'm out here with my good friend, the Dominator Mono. I got a 1650 kV motor in here. I got my 4514 stainless. I just really like this prop. It's just an all-around buzz sawer, never any heat. I like to enjoy the boat, you know what I mean? It runs great on this. It goes real fast. In fact, I got my GPS. I got some pretty flat water. This boat's been running wet. But first, I'm gonna run it with the batteries back a little bit. And if I don't like the way it works, then I'm gonna start playing with the strut. But I'd like to leave the strut where it is and see if I can get away with the batteries back a little bit. It's gonna run better and it's gonna be real sweet and the way I like it too. Well, enough talking about it. Let's get to it. I remember Superman the movie when Superman got dressed in a telephone booth. The pimp looked at him and said, "That is a bad outfit." Well, that motor's screaming out. Yeah, I loosened her up a bit. As always, I know it's doing better than 67. I knew this boat would loosen up for me. Woo! Now that was a spin out. Spring her in. You were kicking up some dust, weren't you, Mr. Dominator? Now that was fun till her daddy took the T-Bird away. Yes, indeed. Well, I have an orthodontist appointment, so I got to get out of here, guys. It's going to be a short one this time. But I want you to keep in mind, spring's coming. When you go to buy an RC boat, keep in mind what you want to get. Go with the company that's out here doing it. Go with the company that's laser sharp. And remember, stay off Facebook for any of your advice, because you're not going to get any good advice there. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Smash that like button, and remember, continue enjoying radio-controlled model boating. Bill Oxidean and the Dominator, over and out.